So something I've been talking about for a while now on the channel is Jasmy coin. Now, it's a very interesting coin, topped out all-time high at $4.99, currently sits 207. Now, you might notice something different in the last 48 hours. That's right, it absolutely has gone on a run, 12.5%, and I still think this is pretty cheap for Jasmy coin. I'm going to break it all down in this video. So if you are invested in Jasmy or you are a big fan of it, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more content around Jasmy, leave a like on this video so that I know you like this type of content, and let's get straight into this video. So like I said, taking a look at Jasmy, current price there, 7175, outperforming BTC by 13%. Now, the total global market is currently sitting at a 1.27 trillion cryptocurrency market cap. You can see their Bitcoin hovering around 30,317. Just looks like it's starting to move in the last sort of hour. Ethereum just hovering below 21K. But Jasmy coin, look at this. In terms of a market cap, $341 million, 12.6% up. But look at the volume, $170 million today on volume for Jasmy coin, 204%. So why are people buying it? Why all of a sudden has Jasmy coin suddenly come out of nowhere and everybody wants a piece of it? Well, there is a number of things that they are building out. The roadmap for 2023, I've covered this in a previous video. There is just a ton in what they're building out. Now, Japan is becoming more and more crypto friendly. They are absolutely picking up the people being disbanded from the US and accepting them into their country, offering tax breaks, offering incentives for businesses to join them that are crypto companies. Now, I'm not going to go through everything specifically in their roadmap, but there's just a ton of development. You'll see some really key words in this. Develop an AI engine. AI is literally the hottest thing right now, whether it be in business, whether it be in finance, whether it be in crypto. AI is a big thing, and they are building out. They also have a Vita function as well as the Jasmy grants. They're doing a ton of stuff to support not only their community, but equally the build out of Jasmy coin. Now, people call it the Bitcoin of Japan. And again, as the two work hand in hand, that's why Jasmy could be really exciting. They also have carbon credit consortium as well as data value exchange. One of the main utilities is how you move and store data using the blockchain. It's a very, very clever thing of what they're building out. They run on a proof of authority, and I wanted to just give you a little bit of a view of exactly what that is. So if you're not sure of what it is, but the proof of work consensus, which we know is things like Bitcoin and was Ethereum, ultimately is based upon hash rate and solving mathematical equations. In regards to the transactions around proof of work, it's always going to be dependent on the mining power that you have on it. Proof of stake, we know, is where you stake coins to then support the blockchain and uphold it. But proof of authority is basically more efficient, and it is an alternative that can be outperformed by number of transactions. So what is it specifically? Well, it is a reputation-based consensus algorithm, introduces a practical and efficient solution for blockchain networks. The term was proposed 2017 by Ethereum co-founder and former TCO Gavin Wood. Basically, it leverages the value of identities, which means that the block validators are not staking coins, but their own reputation instead. It's almost like an eBay of blockchains, in which the blockchain is maintained by credible people that have been validated or that have almost a value attached to those as individuals, so that it knows to go through them. So proof of authority consensus may be applied in a variety of scenarios and is deemed a high value option for logistical applications. When it comes to supply chains, for example, proof of air is considered an effective and reasonable solution. And again, that's why it's super important. And again, why Jasmy coin is going to have a significant space to play in. What else have they got coming up? And this is where it gets super exciting. They're building out even more in terms of their actual products. Jasmy will upgrade its IoT chip and module R&D and manufacturing capabilities. So using the Jasmy blockchain to both support research and development in Asia, the IoT chip and module capabilities, and join hands with top chip developers. Now, we already know they're in partnership with people like Sony and Intel, and now they're going into into tech chips, as well as manufacturing of those as well. The initiative will greatly strengthen Jasmy's position as a global leader in the IoT field. This is important because it gives usability to their blockchain as well as the logistical capabilities that they're doing as well. Now, we know the CFO, which is Hara, or Hara_Jasmy as he goes by on Twitter, has been out there talking to everybody about Jasmy coin. They have been at a number of Web3 events where they are taking this product to the consumer. Now, Jasmy been around for a long time, topped out, like we said, at $5. So it's almost like a you know, a build out of their platform. They're really kind of momentum hunting and really starting to build out the Jasmy portfolio. And I think it's super exciting in terms of what they're doing. And we're seeing more and more exchanges list them. Even after Binance took them off their platform, we are seeing incredible amounts of volume. We are seeing a build out. Even just now, while we're doing this video, nearly $1 million of volume going through Jasmy coin. So what's going on with the price? Well, 9% on the day, a big green candle here for the day. But what we are seeing though is if we go back right here to the 4th of April, that's 11 days ago, we have 2 red candles only. Incredibly bullish on the 9-day and the 20-day EMA as well. Really starting to push that up, and the parabolic SAR is indeed going parabolic. The MACD at the bottom here trending very, very nicely as well. So we could even see some further big upside moves from Jasmy coin. So if you want to keep up to date with what's going on with Jasmy coin, be sure to like this video. Again, it does support the channel, as well as check some of the links in the description. You can buy Jasmy coin over on Mexi, and they're offering $9,000 in bonuses for anybody who signs up and trades to certain values. Definitely go and check it out. It's free to sign up. It does support the channel. There is no cost. They are the cheapest exchange out there right now to trade both spot and futures. And if you want to grab yourself some Jasmy, it's definitely an exchange I would recommend. But we'll keep an eye on Jasmy. If you want more content like this, be sure to subscribe. But Jasmy is going to be a big player over the course of the next couple of weeks. As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.